Hi everyone, welcome to Murari's Finance Channel. So today topic is emergency fund versus savings bank. What is the difference between them? Let's discuss in detail in this video. What is meant by emergency fund? So this regarding emergency fund, I already discussed in detail in previous video definition for this video. Once again, is money set aside especially for unexpected expenses like medical emergencies, car expenses, sudden job loss. So in this case, you can use this emergency fund to cover your financial crisis without draining your financial stability. Key features of emergency fund. This fund especially should be easily accessible. Fund should be kept in savings bank with 3 to 6 months of life expenses. The goal is to have immediate access to cash when you need it. What is savings account? A savings account is a standard account where you can put your money to get the interest over time for your future related goals. So these goals are planned goals. So that's why you will keep money in savings account. Savings amount you may use for purchase of house, car, or vacation purpose. These are all planned activities. So that's why savings account fund, you can use it for planned activities. Features of a savings account. So unlike the emergency fund, savings bank account fund also easily accessible. For some banks, some banks will give high interest rate over the period as well. So, but it does not mean that you can use the savings fund for unnecessary emergencies. So let's say comparison between both savings bank account fund is easily accessible and can be used for planned activities like purchase of house, car, and vacation purpose. The emergency fund is for handling of unexpected expenses like medical expenses. Comparison between both is purpose and accessibility. An emergency fund is easily accessible and should be used for unplanned activities, whereas a savings bank account fund is also should be accessible to you users, and it does not mean that you use this money for unnecessary activities. This amount you should use for future goals, for planned activities like purchase of a house, car. Like summary, keep your emergency fund liquid and separate from savings bank account because that should be accessible when you need it, and use your savings account for growth and financial freedom. Both are important to make your financial stability for your future. If you found this video is useful, please thumbs up and subscribe my YouTube channel and click on bell so that you will get uploaded videos without any further delay. And thank you so much once again. See you soon in the next video. Jai Hind.